Hey man, same. What's up YouTube? I'm back with another video. I low-key can't see right now, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. But yeah, he back with another one. I'm ready to hop on the highway real quick. I'm gonna go to the market real quick. I guess I'm just leaving work for real as well. But yeah, before we get started, make sure you like the video and subscribe for me. I appreciate it. Y'all be watching these videos, y'all don't be hitting that subscribe button though. That's all I can say. But just go ahead and smash that button real quick and turn your post notifications on as well. The radar already going crazy. But yeah. Alright, we on the highway ramp. Putting the sport mode for y'all bad boys. I'm not gonna put it in the what is it call it. I'm gonna say I'm not gonna shift gears in this video. Cause it be hard as shit trying to record and doing that shit. Why he coming over like that, bro? People in Baltimore look you can't drive, bro. They be scamming. Like, they really be leaning over. It's a Srt Q50. Keep trying to tell y'all. People in the comments ask me why I call it SRT. It's just like a little joke. Like, I just call it SRT. I know it's not SRT. I know about my cars. It's like a little inside joke. How you in the fast lane doing 75? We are in Mexico right now though. They go up key 70. Man, this car really be moving, yeah. I need a team. I want some pops though. I don't want no like regular team or like a boost team. Come on, bro. What did he say? He was ready to blow me. I know he see me coming. Yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna downshift for y'all right here though. Driving the knee T, by the way. I see now I got skills. I just grabbed the steering wheel though. I had to tighten a little bit. I had to grab it again. I'm gonna try to do a pull. I'm trying to straighten out first though. Crazy, be like I would be putting my head in the seat. That's what I call SRT. Shit got torque. Drop the window for y'all too. They call it Cadillac. Thanks to CTSV. But yeah, sooner or later, I'll be taking a little drive out of town. So I'm gonna do a point of view, a POV drive when I go out wherever I'm going. I ain't gonna say the destination right now, but I am. Excuse me, I burped. I am trying to take me a little trip. Let's go somewhere with my friends. Get away from here for a little bit. Hopefully soon. But yeah. Now I can't cut up too much right here because there's a little bit of traffic. But you know, I still cut up wherever. It don't matter. Rain, snow, so ain't no playing. Snow is crazy. let me know in the comments, say I feel like these videos. What you want to see me do? Like cut out with my friends, something like that, something different. Just let me know in the comments below. I want to do anything for y'all. Like this channel, girl. Like I said, I've been getting good views on these videos too. So I thank you for all y'all watching, for sure. I appreciate all the love too, the ones that be commenting. Like when y'all comment and stuff, like it motivate me to keep doing these videos. So if you want more, just like, comment, and subscribe, and repost too. Y'all can share it to y'all friends, whatever. It don't matter. But with that being said, this probably be the end of the video. I'll probably do like some downshifts when I leave Walmart or whatever. But thank you for watching, man. Just stay tuned for another one. I'm gonna have some different videos coming real soon. Like, I don't know, I'm gonna start doing some pranks on my friends as well. So, it's on my radar. Just stay tuned, man. Appreciate it.